Hey, what's up, Yu-Gi-Oh fans? Andrew Godsmith here again. I just got Hidden Arsenal Ch1 Box. Gonna do a little unboxing, see what we get. Cheers, enjoy. Alright, here it is. Hidden Arsenal Ch1. First unboxing. Myself, first edition. Which one do you guys think I'll get? What die? I kind of want this one or this one. Let's go. Let's open it up. Just want to thank you guys for watching, supporting my page. I like doing this stuff. I like to watch the unboxings. I also like to do my own unboxings. I hope you guys enjoy. If you find anything that you like, that you want, I do trades, and I sell every card that I have pretty much as well. Let's open it up. First off, a game mat. It looks like explains to use Ice Barrier, the Fabled, Mist Valley, Flame Veil. Decent read. Nice, I got the blue one. Right on. Pile Arm Dragon. Limited edition. Pile Arm Dragon. There it is. You can send one other Wind Dragon monster or one other level 7 or higher dragon monster from your hand to the graveyard. Special summon this card from your hand. You can send one armed dragon monster from your hand or deck to the graveyard, except Pile Armed Dragon, and target one face-up monster you control. That targeted monster gains attack equal to the level of the monster sent to the graveyard times 300 until the end of this turn. Also, you can attack. Nice. I'm going to keep that in the package. So we got 2 18 card packs. Open it up, see what we get. Good luck. May the heart forever be in the cards. Okay. There's this. Buku, haven't seen that card in a while. Neo Flame Bell. Night Assailant. Nice, another Dark Magician. Yes. Natural Bamboo Shoot. Nice. So we got one Dark Magician. I'm pretty excited about what we got already. My favorite cards are Dark Magician cards, and I got one. Pretty excited for it. Night Assailant. Flip one monster your opponent controls. Destroy that target when this card is sent from the hand to the graveyard. Target one flip monster in your graveyard. Accept this card. Return that card to the hand. Nice. Hey. Got lots of Alley Justice cards. Nice, a Red Eyes Black Dragon. Dragoon Phalanx. Alley of Justice, Decisive Armor. Cheer Rock. Alley of Justice. Fusion Falcon. Alright, I'm pretty excited about what we got. Right on. I just need Dragoon now. I got Red Eyes and Dark Magician. Look at that. Nice. Well guys, that's it for this unboxing. Just want to say thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. And the more people like and subscribe, the more I get to do this. So, cheers. Thank you.